everyone, welcome back. So nice. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, like you guys saw by the title, it's going to be a Colourpop haul. So I made an order like a few weeks ago. They had like a sale. I think it was 25% off site-wide. So everything on the website was 25% off. And I was like, you know what? I really want that palette that you guys gonna see in my video in the haul. So I was like, you know what, let me just make an order because I was eyeing this palette for like a while and I thought it was like super pretty. So I kind of had to have it. I don't buy a lot of makeup anymore. I just don't know why, but I just don't buy a lot of makeup. Like I would say like makeup palettes anymore. I don't know why. Like I feel like nothing is really catching my eyes, and also like I've been doing something else compared to like usually I always do like a lot of makeup tutorials, but like you guys saw, like I don't do as many as I used to do, but I'm still here for the makeup palettes, but just I'm not buying as many as usual. So this is the box that it came in. It was a big box. I kind of like the other boxes. Usually they have like super nice pattern on them, but I guess I bought a lot, so I didn't buy that much, but it's just like I think they're big items, so they have to put it in the big box. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do right now. I'm just gonna open the package. Okay, so first thing I got was the Colourpop Cheek Dew Serum Blush. It looks like this. So basically, I think in one of my vlogs, I was talking about like how I wanted to like try some more like cream blushes, like serum blushes, because I found out like every time I put blush, it just disappears. Not only put powders, I thought like maybe a cream blush or something like that would like help make it last longer, because actually I'm supposed to have blush right now, but you guys can see like it's already gone. But anyways, I bought the, which one is this one? What's the name? Instant Crush. That's the name of the blush. I don't really know if they're good. Honestly, I haven't seen a lot of like people talking about them, knowing if they're good or not, but they were only like, they came up to like maybe $5 or something like that. I'm putting American prices because I have to buy it American and then they convert it, so I just remember the American prices. But yeah, it was like $5 or something for this. So yeah, I just bought it. I haven't swatched it yet. Let me see. They have a lot of different shades. And I just chose this one. You really have to like I guess I really have to mix it because I feel like only the serum part came out. Oh no. Okay, I don't like the packaging. It's kind of dark, honestly. It's almost like a chocolate kind of shade. I'm not really sure how it would look. I'm not really sure how it will look on my skin tone, but so far it's just giving me like some kind of a bronzy kind of effect, which I don't mind, but it's not exactly what I was thinking it was going to be, because when I looked at the pictures, it didn't look like that. And I never would have chose this if it was like that. The packaging is like, it's really liquidy, so you have to be careful when you open it and put it on, because it just went everywhere right now. And also it's really like a chocolate kind of brown kind of shade, so maybe it'll be nice for like my fall makeup looks, because it gives me like more like of a bronzy kind of look. So we'll see. I don't know. Next, I bought a bronzer from the Body Soul line from Colourpop in the shade Deep. This is called the Face and Body Bronzing Balm. Like I said before, like I'm trying to like do my makeup more with balms and serums, like really have that dewy, creamy kind of look. So I thought I would try this one. This one too wasn't that expensive. I think it came up to like $11 or something. So this is the packaging. This is what it looks like. It's really sleek. It's really nice. And it has kind of a scent. but it's not strong. And this is what it looks like. This is the color Deep. I think it's the right shade for me. They had like around 6 shades. I don't want to go too dark because I'm really like just trying it out to see if I like it, but I think it will be enough for me. But also sometimes it depends on how pigmented it is, and also I like the fact that it's really warm. I think I'm really gonna like that. I just don't know what the formula will be about. I don't know how it's going to work, but I'll try to do like a video like trying new makeup or something like that, so you guys can see how all of this performs. I don't know, I never really tried like a balm bronzer or liquid bronzer. I always use powders, so I don't know how I don't really know how to use it, so I don't know how like it will go. Next thing I bought is the Colourpop Lush palette, which looks like this. Lush Life palette. This palette is so pretty. Like, it's so like, I wish I bought it like in the beginning of the summer, but it's just so nice and so pretty. It just looks super like summery, tropical. Obviously it looks like this. You guys know green is my favorite color. I love green. Even as makeup tutorials, I don't mind playing with green colors. I think it's so pretty. This is just like amazing. I can't wait to like dive into it. Let me do some swatches. Let's see. Start with this one, and this one, and this one, and this one. So like, look at this. Ooh, yeah. I mean, Colourpop has always been like super pigmented. The only thing with Colourpop is that sometimes they're hard to blend, or it takes a bit more time to blend, or they can be like a bit patchy, but the pigment is always there. Look at this green, or neon green. It's so nice. Ooh, I like it. Yeah, so this is the Lush Life palette. It looks really nice. And I don't remember how much that was. I really don't remember how much that was. I think it was around like maybe $11, I would say, around the price, but I really don't remember. It was around the price. Like, basically, you just go on the website, it was minus 25%. I think regular price for this, I think it's $18, so minus 25%. And next I bought, this is the palette I was talking about in my intro. Basically, I made an order just for that palette because it's a mood. Like, it is a mood. Like, this palette is so pretty. I love how like it's really kind of dark shades. I feel like Colourpop has been lacking on their like really deep dark like shade of eyeshadows. They've been doing a lot of pastel, and it's like I'm not attracted to pastel at all. But this palette is like, it screams fall. It screams like sultry, bronzy, like smoky eye, and also everyday eye, which is like crazy. But this is what the palette looks like. I love here like how you have like some dark shades, and it's still like a pop of color. And here you have like some like really plum colors for fall, nice like everyday colors here, some like smoky greens. It's just so nice, like gold and everything. And it's like nice enough to be like everyday palette. You can like switch it up, do it smoky everyday. It has some pressed glitter, like this one here is a pressed glitter. And also, like, when you look at the palette, you can see like every row like this, you can probably create a makeup look. You have your greens, your blues, your purple, kind of pink, orangey pink, and so on. And it's just like, this palette is so pretty to me. Like, oh my god. Let me swatch some shades. I really like this one. Let's see. Let's try this. Maybe this, like a matte shade, and this. Let's see. Oh yeah. See how like pigmented it is. Oh, that purple is really like kind of powdery. It's going everywhere. Like, see that shade? Ooh, that shade is pretty. So nice. That shade is so pretty. It's kind of shade like you can just put all over the lid and just live. So yeah, regular price this is $34, but I got it in a package deal. So basically I got this with the next item for $48. I'm gonna show you what it is. Yeah, the purple shade is really powdery. It's going everywhere. Like it's over here on my desk. So yeah, and the last item that I got is a brush set. So obviously, like I said before, so I got the palette, this palette and this together for $48. When the palette is like, I think 34 regular price. So I got this one for like 14 bucks, when I think this one is like way over like 30 bucks. So I thought it was a good price. And also I always need brushes. I feel like I've been lacking on my brush game because I have some, but I always feel like I'm missing some brushes whenever I do my makeup tutorials. So, and you get a lot in this package. I don't remember the name of this set, but I'm gonna put it down below for you guys. So it looks like this, and it comes with like the pouch. Yeah, I'm just gonna put the name of the kit down below so you guys know, because they have a few different ones, but this is the one that came with the palette. This one's like the bronzy, like rose gold set, because they have another one that's like more gray, but this one's rose gold. So they have like a bunch of different like eye brushes, which is what I needed. But I also always need like face brushes, and they're really soft. I really like that. They're soft. Now, of course, it's synthetic. They're not cruelty free. They're not. They are cruelty free. So yeah, can't wait to use them. Can't wait to try them. So you get 1, 2, 3. I think so you get 14 brushes in this kit, which is amazing. I really like it. So yeah, that's all I got from Colourpop. This is the haul. This is all I got. It was still like above $100 after conversion, obviously, because the dollar is not really good right now, but I really wanted those items. So be on the lookout for like maybe a fall makeup look, and also like maybe like a shop my stash kind of makeup tutorial slash vlog, so you guys, so I can try like some of my new makeup items, and I can give you like some kind of like small reviews on them. Yeah, that's it. If you guys have any questions, don't forget to comment down below, and of course I'll answer them. And thank you for watching, thank you for liking, thank you for subscribing if you have, and I'll see you in my next one, guys. Bye.